When it comes to creating the perfect witch's cauldron prop for Halloween, achieving that authentic weathered look can be a real challenge. Whether you're working with metal or plastic, the finish of your cauldron can make all the difference between an ordinary prop and one that looks straight out of a haunted forest. This is where our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits become an essential part of your crafting toolkit. Carbide burrs are precision cutting tools designed to be attached to a die grinder, and they excel at shaping, smoothing, and texturing a wide range of materials. Thanks to their high-quality construction and sharp, durable edges, these burrs can tackle even the toughest metals, as well as softer plastics, making them ideal for prop-making applications. To begin shaping your cauldron, first secure it safely in a well-ventilated workspace. If you're starting with a smooth, store-bought cauldron, whether metal or plastic, the goal is to give it that centuries-old, mysterious appearance. Attach the appropriate carbide burr to your die grinder, choosing a shape and size that matches the effect you want. Ball-shaped burrs are great for creating pitted, cratered surfaces reminiscent of boiling cauldron bubbles, while cylindrical or flame-shaped burrs can be used to carve out deeper grooves and simulate long-term wear or magical scorch marks. As you power up your die grinder, gently guide the carbide burr along the surface of the cauldron. For a subtly aged look, use light sweeping motions to scuff and rough up the outer shell. This will remove any artificial shine or newness, immediately starting to age your prop. If your vision calls for a more dramatic, battle-worn cauldron, press a little harder and let the carbide burr dig in, creating deeper valleys, jagged lines, and uneven edges reminiscent of a vessel that has seen years of use by a powerful witch. One of the greatest advantages of our USA-made carbide burrs is their ability to maintain sharpness and precision even after extensive use, allowing you to create fine details and consistent textures over large areas. You can use the tip of the burr to add tiny, clustered pits, perfect for simulating corrosion or magical residue, or use the side to drag out longer, textured grooves that mimic cracks or ancient runes. If you're working with plastic, take care to use a lower speed and less pressure. The carbide burr will easily carve into the softer material, and with gentle control, you can create realistic chips, gouges, and even melted-looking edges without warping the cauldron. Finish by lightly sanding any sharp fragments left behind for safety, and consider layering on paint or patina for an even more convincing, antiqued effect. Not only do these carbide burrs give you creative freedom, they also save time compared to manual shaping methods. Their efficiency and versatility mean you can quickly switch from rough shaping to fine detailing, all with the same set of tools. Each burr is manufactured in the USA to the highest standards, ensuring reliability and a long service life, no matter how many cauldrons you plan to enchant. If you've enjoyed learning about how our carbide burr die grinder tool bits can help you create the ultimate witch's cauldron, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. We'd love to hear all about your Halloween projects or any spooky ideas you have for using these tools, so be sure to leave your comments below. Happy crafting, and may your cauldron always bubble with Halloween magic.